The common malfunctions of the MRI machines and how to fix it. MRI machines are complex medical imaging devices, and like any sophisticated equipment, they can encounter various issues. Here are some common problems associated with MRI machines and potential solutions: power issues, symptoms, power outages or glitches causing the system to shut down and restart. Causes: these can range from power surges due to storms to outdated software. Preventive measures: use circuit breakers and reset them after a surge, regularly update software and perform maintenance to prevent internal computer malfunctions. Image artifacts, symptoms, poor image quality, including lines or graininess. Causes: coils within the MRI scanner may be damaged or worn out. Preventive measures: routine maintenance plans should include coil inspection and cleaning. If image quality deteriorates, experienced repair technicians can repair coils efficiently. Intense vibration. Symptoms: excessive vibrations leading to loud noises during scans. Causes: MRI machines generate a large static magnetic field, which requires cooling mechanisms. Cold head maintenance: the cold head, responsible for cooling, needs regular attention. IT performs continuously and lasts 18 to 24 months if well maintained. Trained technicians should conduct routine preventative maintenance to ensure proper cold head function. Remember that timely maintenance and professional repairs are crucial to keep MRI machines functioning optimally and avoid misdiagnosis. How to perform maintenance on MRI machines. Proper maintenance of MRI machines is essential to ensure their longevity, accurate imaging, and patient safety. Here are some steps for performing routine maintenance on MRI systems. Daily checks. Visual inspection: examine the entire system for any visible damage, loose connections, or leaks. Check the patient table, coils, and accessories. Cooling system: verify that the cooling system, such as the cold head, is functioning correctly. Monitor coolant levels and ensure proper circulation. Power supply: confirm stable power supply and voltage. Inspect power cables and connections. Emergency procedures: familiarize yourself with emergency shutdown procedures. Ensure that emergency stop buttons are accessible and functional. Weekly maintenance. Coil inspection: inspect all coils for damage, wear, or loose connections. Clean coils using approved methods. Gradient coils: check gradient coils for any signs of overheating or malfunction. Verify that the cooling system for gradient coils is operational. RF shielding: inspect RF shielding to prevent electromagnetic interference. Tighten any loose bolts or connections. Calibration and quality control: perform daily or weekly calibration checks using phantoms. Ensure image quality meets standards. Monthly maintenance. Ventilation and air filters: clean air filters and ventilation systems. Ensure proper airflow to prevent overheating. Software updates: regularly update MRI software to the latest version. Consult with the manufacturer or service provider. Safety checks: verify safety features such as emergency stop buttons, interlocks, and alarms. Test emergency power off functionality. Quarterly maintenance. Gantry and bore cleaning: clean the gantry bore, patient table, and surrounding areas. Remove debris and dust. RF coils and cables: inspect RF cables and connectors. Replace damaged cables promptly. A magnet quench test: conduct a magnet quench test as per guidelines. Ensure proper response during simulated quench. Annual maintenance. Scheduled service: arrange for professional service by certified engineers. Comprehensive inspection, calibration, and adjustments. Cold head replacement: replace the cold head as needed, typically every 18 to 24 months. Follow manufacturer recommendations. Quality assurance testing: perform comprehensive QA tests using phantoms. Document results: remember that maintenance schedules may vary based on the MRI system model, usage, and facility protocols. Always consult the manufacturer's guidelines for more complex tasks. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and patient safety. Troubleshooting specific issues with an MRI machine. Troubleshooting specific issues with an MRI machine requires a systematic approach. Here are common problems and their potential solutions. Low helium level. Symptoms: recurring, low helium, alerts on the screen. Cause: helium is burning off due to system needs or inadequate monitoring. Solution: immediate action. Schedule a helium refill promptly. Prevention: install remote diagnostic units to monitor helium levels. Delegate weekly monitoring to prevent negligence. Power outages. Symptoms: glitches, shutdowns, or boot up issues after storms. Solution: reset breakers for the MRI section in the building. Fully reset the system if needed. Prevention: weather-related problems are unpredictable. No specific preventive measures. Image artifacts. Symptoms: lines, graininess, or anomalies in MRI images. Causes: coil damage or wear and tear. Solution: professional inspection to determine coil replacement. Regular cleaning efforts may not always resolve image artifacts. Prevention: regular coil inspections and maintenance. Poor cooling. Symptoms: imaging equipment locks up due to inadequate cooling. Solution: ensure precise temperature control. Address malfunctioning cooling components promptly. Prevention: regularly monitor cooling systems and address issues promptly.